In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel on Webflow. To get started, open your design in Webflow so you are working directly inside the project where you want the carousel to appear. It's always a good idea to have a clear idea of where the slider will sit on the page before you add it, since that makes the layout process much smoother. Once your design is open, go to the Add Elements panel. You can open this quickly by pressing the A key on your keyboard, which is a helpful shortcut if you want to speed up your workflow. In the Add Elements panel, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. From there, find the slider element and drag it directly onto your canvas. Place it in the section or container where you want your carousel to live. After the slider has been added, you can start placing your content into it. Drag your images, text, or div blocks directly into the slide elements inside the slider component. Each slide acts like its own content area, so you can build each one however you want, while keeping everything organized within the carousel. If you are using images, make sure they're sized consistently for a cleaner, more professional look. If you are combining text and visuals, try to keep spacing balanced so each slide feels easy to read. If you need more slides, open the Navigator panel and select the main slider component. This is important because you want to be editing the full slider, not just an individual slide. With the main slider selected, head over to the Element Settings panel on the right side. There, click the Add Slide button to create another slide. You can repeat this as many times as needed until your carousel includes all of your content. By default, the slider comes with navigation arrows and pagination dots. These controls help users move between slides and understand how many slides are included. Depending on the style of your site, you may want to keep them visible for usability or adjust them so they better match your branding. You can style these controls or hide them in the element settings. This gives you flexibility to make the carousel look simple and minimal, or more interactive and visually prominent, depending on your design goals. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.